Welcome to another video. I'm out here in my little man cave. In this video we're going to start building up the new engine, the new long block. Okay, so the engine arrived. I've had to just drag it all through the house. The wife wasn't best pleased. So yeah, I'm going to put it in the shed. Yes, I know my shed's an absolute fucking state. Yeah, but we'll have enough room to do the head studs and head gaskets. So I'm going to get it set up in there, which is going to be fun. We've still got all this snow and ice, but I want it in there out of the way. Okay, so I gave up trying to get that engine on there that night because obviously it was snowy. So this is the next day in work. I've got my wastegate off. So yeah, I'm just undoing that. That's the V-band taken off. There's the wastegate taken apart. That's the standard spring in there. These are all the other springs. That's a thicker spring that I'm putting in now. That takes up to 14 psi base. Obviously there's the cap that goes on top. Yeah, those are stronger springs there, but the one that I've put in now with the other spring that's already in there, that'll take it to 14 psi. I was getting a maximum of 12 psi before. So whilst I've been waiting for some bolts to mount the other engine to the engine stand, I've completely stripped this one down to a long block now. Yeah, so apart from the starter motor, which I'll take off when the engine's out because there's bolts at the back at the top which are a bit of a pain to get to, so I'll take that off when the engine's out. Yeah, we'll build up the other engine in the shed now because I'll be able to get it up on the engine stand because the bolts have actually just arrived. So the engine's in the shed on the stand, ready to be built up. I'll flip it over and I'll start with a sump, put all the sump on, then we'll whip the heads off and do the ARP gaskets and studs. Okay, so that's the pickup installed. Obviously bolts at the top there, onto the oil pump, on there and there, and there's the pickup itself. Yeah. Okay, so that's the upper sump installed. There's the windage tray installed. There's the lower sump installed. Okay, I'm going to take the heads off now. I'm going to do it one side at a time completely because of lack of room in here. So I'll take this head off, clean it all up, you know, do what's got to be done. Do the head studs, gaskets, put this head back on, get this side completely buttoned up, and then go over the other side. So yeah, obviously the camshaft's got to come out first. On these, this pulley here, this sprocket here, is split and it's sort of spring loaded. There's holes on the side, so I've got to put a bolt through those to hold them together before I take that camshaft out. There's the bolt. There's the bolt through the gears that hold that camshaft together. It's just one of them. It's got a hole right through to the thread. You only need to put that one bolt in, well, you can anyway, you can only put that one bolt in, that holds it together. going to take these buckets off. I don't intend to re-shim this, so I'm just going to take these out and keep them in the exact same order as they went in. Make sure they go back in the same way as they went in. There, you can see what I'm doing there. Yeah, obviously that keeps them so they go back in the same way that I've taken them out. So that's the camshafts and buckets completely removed, so now the head's ready to come off. Yeah, so that's the head removed now. There's still cross hatching clearly visible in the bores, so it seems in really good condition, this engine. There's a bit of carbon on the pistons, but obviously that's to be expected. So yeah, there's the head removed. They're obviously all in order, so they can go back in the same order they come out, save me re-shimming it like I said before. So yeah, next thing is to install the, I've got some up, I didn't mention it before, I got some upgraded valve springs from Grand's Hatch Performance, upgraded valve springs, so they can go in. That'll probably happen, that'll probably be a completely separate video, I think. I got this tool for doing the valve springs, makes it a lot easier. I'll show you how that works in the next video. Yeah, so the next video will be doing the valve springs, putting the ARP head studs in, and the Cometic gaskets, and obviously cleaning this head up and the deck surface. Yeah, and then that head can go back on and we'll do it all over again on the other side.